Okay folks, today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool accessory I think here. It's a Powermadd Gauntlets for a 2018 Raptor. So I have the Sentinel Power Guard hand guards on, as you can see up in there. But these are gauntlets that go over your hand guard, cover your throttle and your clutch lever. They do a couple things there. So if you ride up in the North Country where it's snowing out or really cold, this will protect your hands and keep them warm. Also, if you ride out in the mud, this will keep all the mud off your controls, keep them from getting off your hand grips, the whole 9 yards. They're a pretty nice little invention here. You can stay out of the light. They're really thick. They stay open. You can't really see it there, but there's some straps that actually go around the hand guard and secure it nice and tight. They just fit on there. You can see here, take this other one down here. It's some Velcro, really thick stuff. This stuff, I don't know how thick that is, 1/4 inch thick. They really do. There you can see the straps on the bottom there, on the bottom of that one. They go up around there, but it's pretty nice. You have plenty of room here for your hand in there. Keeps it nice out of the mud there, so you've got no room. You see all the way up in there, there's plenty of room. It goes way down deep, so it's pretty nice. It covers a lot of room here. My light, you can kind of see here from the front a little bit. It's pretty good size. From the top, here's my hand. So I live here in Chicago. Fixing to start racing here at the end of February. Currently outside my garage I got about 16 inches of snow, so I'm going to be needing something like this. It also gets very muddy up here. So these are pretty nice. We thought about making these things, but after looking them up online, there's just, for as cheap as these things are, you just can't get them made to this quality and also to stay open like that. So really nice. These are the Powermadd Gauntlets. I have them on the Powermadd Sentinel handguards. I think they fit a couple of them. I know they make a couple different models there, so check them out. Again, Powermadd Gauntlets for 2018 Raptor. Thank you.